Welcome guys. Today we're gonna learn um, how to add the data automatically when you type a specific data in a specific column, in any column, not just B in the B column. So uh, the thing we are gonna learn that if we type a specific data in the cell uh, C2, we are gonna enter the data automatically to the cell A2. So the first thing we're gonna do is to add the header, date, and the data. So to learn, just we are type the data here. Okay. So all we need that when we type the data here, the date will be generated automatically. So all we are gonna use is if statement. So we're gonna type equal to let the Google Sheet know that we're gonna type a function. So we're gonna use if statement, normal if statement. It asks you to type the logic expression. So we're gonna type the expression when we need the data and the C2 empty, when the C2 empty. So if this true and the C2 is empty, so we're gonna use what will happen. So we will not type anything here. But if this expression is false, so that means that C2 contain a data. So we're gonna type the function today. Function today is for getting the date of the today. Then we are gonna close the if statement presses. So here it is the function. So here's the logic. All we want to do is to apply this for many cells, just to drag this like this, and we're gonna type like my name is Samir. Okay. And oh wait, okay, here we go. So the date is 23 July 2024. So if we also type any name here or anything, so you will notice that the date is generated automatically. So that's all what you need. So if you just wanna this happen to another cell, you just can edit the cell. So when we added data for the F2, we want the date um, to generate it here. So we're gonna do this and hit enter, and so let us try to type that in F2. Oh, here we go. So that's all what you need. Thank you guys. I hope this you like this video, and thank you for watching.